Welcome to Play This Hand with me, and we're going to be looking at finding another queen. It's going to be the Queen of Clubs in today's mini lesson. You're all in South's position, and I'm going to put up the auction for you. Actually, no, go ahead. I'm going to start play, and you guys are going to bid it and play it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I think everyone is done. Let me just run through all the tables. Okay, a couple of tables still playing. I'm going to let them finish. So now you should be able to see all four hands. And what I'm going to do is take control of your table, and you're going to watch the mini lesson with all four hands face up. And we're going to talk about the two spade bid and then about the actual play of the hand. And Wes started with one no trump, and that's just showing a balanced hand, 15 to 17 total points. North passes, East passes, and we come to South. Now here's our bidding tip for today. Our bidding tip is anytime your opponents are not vulnerable and they're about to play a one no trump bid, what you want to do is make sure that they don't play one no. Okay, whatever your hand is, bid something. If they're not vulnerable and they're about to play one no, you're about to defend one no trump. You do not want them to play that contract. Now here, South has a beautiful spade suit. So South bids two spades. And that's just showing a natural spade suit. If some of you are playing system there, you would have to bid your system to show a single suited hand. Okay, so Rhodey, my dog, who is Rhodey, is just playing two spades means I have spades. Now West is told their story with their one no bid, so they pass. North is quite happy with spades, and East passes. And now we get the Ace of Hearts lead by the robot, okay, promising the king. We're in a suit contract, so when aces are led, they promise the king. Some of us, if I do an undo, some of us actually play that we lead queen from ace, king, queen against suits, not no trump, but against suits. So if you do play that lead convention, you would lead the queen in this case. So let's go ahead and lead that queen just to talk about how that works. Okay, so this can be an opening lead convention you can teach to your partner. Opening lead of the Queen of Hearts, and that's either from Queen Jack or from Ace King Queen, okay, in an unbid suit, which is the case here. And as East, when the Jack shows up in the dummy, East knows West has the Ace King Queen of Hearts. So the first trick would go Queen of Hearts. Now East on the Queen of Hearts would give count, If you can tell that your partner is leading from the Ace King Queen, leading the queen from the Ace King Queen in a suit contract, your obligation is to give count. So we're going to play for our group discussion, we're going to play that high card says I have an even number. And your robot at your table most likely switched to the Ace of Diamonds. Maybe they continued hearts, okay, and the King of Diamonds, and they get a signal from partner that they shouldn't keep doing that. And then they lead out the Ace of Hearts. Now your robot most likely continued a diamond over to the queen and you trumped it. So then, but you know that West has the Ace, King, Queen of Hearts. So, however, if you see the hearts come out of West hand, or you know from the lead interpretation that West has the Ace, King, Queen of Hearts, our focus here is who has the Queen of Clubs, right? We have to find the Queen of Clubs. We're booked, or we're about to be booked. If you look in your bottom right screen, on your desktop, you may see it in your top right screen. On your iPad or iPhone, you see it on the bottom right screen. And those are your tricks that East West has taken 5 tricks. So we're booked. We can only have 5 losers. So to make this hand, we don't have any spade losers, but we've got the Queen of Clubs to lose. All right, so we do some counting. Now West has shown up with the ace, king, queen. Write this out here. West has shown up with the ace, king, queen of hearts. And West showed up with the ace, king of diamonds, one way or another, depending on how your play went at your table. Eventually, you saw that West started with these cards. So we have 9 high card points in hearts and 6 high card points in diamonds. Wait, 4, 5, 6, 7 high card points in diamonds, which is 16. Then we play the what if game. What if West held the queen of clubs? Well, if West has already shown up with 16 high card points, right? This isn't total points, this is high card points. And they then have the queen of clubs, well, they would have opened something other than 1 no trump. So we know that the queen of clubs has to be in East hand. So now the robot's on lead and leads out a diamond. And it goes to East queen of diamonds, which we trump. And we cash, here, let me erase all of that writing there. We cash a few rounds of trump. Everybody follows to the first round. We cash another round of trump. We notice that everyone follows, so the spades must be 3-2, right? We're practicing counting our trumps by thinking in the 4-digit code around the table. And then we play one more round of trump to take the last spade out of West's hand. And now we know that East has the queen of clubs, because if West held the queen of clubs along with the ace, king, queen of hearts, along with the ace, king of diamonds, they wouldn't have opened 1 no. So we're going to play a low club over to the ace in North's hand and lead the jack of clubs back. East is going to play second hand low because there's 2 honors in dummy. We're going to play low because we know there's no room left in West's hand to have the queen of clubs. And now South's hand is good. All right. And the score is 110. So this was a counting hand, and we had the situation. I'm going to show all cards once again so you can see them. And we had the situation where we had to find the queen of clubs, and we did it through counting our defender's high card points. The clue was in the bidding. And you guys know I tell you week after week after week, review that auction. Whether you're declarer or whether you're defender, there are always clues to how to play the hand or defend the hand in that bidding. And the clue was the 1 no trump bid by West once they showed up with 9 points in hearts and 7 points in diamonds. They could have another jack, but they couldn't have a queen, couldn't have a king, couldn't have an ace. All of those cards remaining outstanding honors are sitting in East's chair. Okay, that does it for us for our mini lesson this Saturday. Thank you for joining me, and you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.